just down the road from Castle Combe. I'm going to hop into my friend's car to go into their spring action day and watch what happens on the circuit. The forecast is alright at the moment, but I think the weather's going to turn later on. We'll see what happens. You can probably hear some popping and banging in the background. That'll be the Castle Combe show cars that we'll have a look at as well. So let's hop in the car, get over to Combe and see what occurs. Oh wow, traffic to get in. Haven't seen this before. Oh, there's the Polo. Has he broken down? Is he waiting for a mate? Oh no, he's behind us. He's good. He's sound. All the ladies are loving the pink. But the benefit of being a spectator is you literally enter at Quarry Corner and the track sessions have just started. There's definitely an E92, definitely a Civic, definitely a Focus ST. Let's show you what happens. Here are the M3s. Oh, they put a new barrier in. This is all new. Normally they had nothing. Here we go. Everyone's on their first session of the day. That is an overtake. Understeer, understeer. Oh, it's a bit of oversteer. You can smell clutch already. It was a bit dodgy. We need to watch out for this Ben MX-5. Apparently he's shooting flames all the way. Understeer. Flame! The Fiesta's not quite got the angle right. It's just oversteering a lot into these corners. Oh no! Oh, some poo came out, didn't it, sir? That's it, make up for it with some burnouts. Slightly E36, like a Fina livery on that. We've got the extra brave wheels on the E60 BMW 5 Series. Screech! But before the next round begins, a little word from this video's sponsor, myself.
What is the UK's favourite car genre? What show do we enjoy most? JDM, classic, Euro, supercars, Americana, off-road, retro, race, electric. Britain has the greatest variety of car shows in the entire world, but only one show gives you the chance to fight for your side and decide once and for all what this country truly enjoys seeing. Adam Seafest will be the ultimate battle of the best, featuring your favourite cars, clubs, characters, music, traders, and I'll even be bringing some surprises of my own too. Represent your favourite car scene at Mallory Park on Bank Holiday Monday the 27th of May by hitting the link. Spectator tickets are also available so all the family can enjoy.
What's happened now is sudden rainfall has stirred the pot. The corner might get a bit slippery. Oh, and of course after the rain they put a Mustang on track, because that's a recipe for disaster. Oh, the Fiesta was wiggling. Scared him a little bit. Oh, the Fiesta spun! No! Oh! So close to being collected by the Civic there. So close. Oh, now the sun's out. Try that again without the spins. Well done. The Mustang's on a Sunday cruise compared to... Oh, the Fiesta that had a twitch earlier is back for his second attempt. Bit smoother this time. I think the track's dried out a little bit already, although... that was a bit sketchy. This Civic's seeing a lot going on in front of him, but Evo has got a lot of overtaking to do. GTR is getting sideways already. Cars are all over the place at the moment. But the next track track session is the public and slow parade, so whilst that's going on, we're going to look around at some of the cars that are parked, such as a 3 Series covered in paint. Oh, and here's the Polo we saw earlier. Look, it's got a side pipe on the front of it. Very fun. He's won an award already. Got the S13 in the best colour. The rain is about to begin again, ready for the drift session. This Civic disallows dogs or fat chickens. Oh look, there's a bit of a theme. Someone in the background is popping and banging for everyone's displeasure. Oh, there's V8 flames from a Jeep. I've got to get it somehow. I can't get it. Got hailstones coming down, damaging people's beautiful paintwork or wraps. Talking of paintworks, orange E92. We've got some Escort Cozzies, even more of them. R32 Skylines being pelted by the hailstones. Check this out, wide body Mustang. And now the sun has come out, so have the boosted barges, a Toyota Cresta, a crusty Cresta. And neighbouring the supercars from earlier, you got the green R33. Best colour, especially on a 350Z. We've got the first JZX 100 Chaser of the day with standard wheels, and next to the caddy, got a slammed orange Audi RS6. Oh, and there we go, Geo by Luke is here with his white Chaser with the Violent D livery. And further around, we've got this Ford Capri styles to look like a Mustang Eleanor. We've got the Mazda RX-7 sat on its own, some slight wide arches on the rear. You got Sonic the Golf next to Spud the Peugeot. You've even got an Ultima that has turned up, as well as an R32 Golf with aero discs on the front. And then this Mobil 1 Escort van, number 97, maybe his year of birth. And by the annoying car alarm, it's the guy just sat in the van, he doesn't care. We have a RS conversion, so they're turning their Focus into an RS. Look, they've got the new wide arches. It's going to look pretty nice. Well, we've done a full lap of the circuit. We're now back at Quarry Corner for the next public session. He is in my video. Are there any rear-wheel drive cars on this session? Yes, there's one. Whoa, Astra's getting a bit of oversteer. Almost overcorrected there. Whoa. That was controlled on purpose. Oh, the stinger was almost stung. On track now. Can't hear it yet. And someone's arms has got lost. Well, with a bit of action still going on, we're actually heading off because I've got some errands to run. So that was our morning at Castle Combe. Some track action, we did a full lap, looked around at some of the cars here, so I hope you enjoyed that video. The car show season is truly upon us now. We're counting down the days to Adams Sea Fest on the 27th of May. There's links down below. We found a Nissan GTR in the public car park. The little sticker down there suggests it's got 800 horsepower. You got a 991 GT3 departing as well, and an E36 rolling in, look at that. Goodbye, ants. But I hope you enjoyed that video, but for now, thanks for watching.